Hello friends, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with rational numbers, exercise 2C, part 4. Evaluate, and here they have given a question. Here all first two numbers are in the rational form and but this third is not in the standard rational form because the minus is in the denominator. So just get this to the numerator, so it becomes minus 2 by 3. Now all these three are in the standard rational form, right? So first we need to take the LCM of 18, 9 and 3. Why we are taking the LCM of 18, 9 and 3 is to make the denominators equal. When the denominators are equal, you can directly add the numerators, right? So this is the reason why we are taking the LCM. We are just going to make the denominators equal. In a rough work, just write down the denominator, that is 18, 9 and 3. Start dividing with the least number 2. 9 and 3 are not divisible with 2, but 18 is divisible with 2. So even if one number is divisible with 2, then start with the same number. 2 9s are 18, 9 and 9. Again, all these 3 are not divisible with 2. So 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Again divided with 3, 1s are 3. Now just multiply 2 into 3 into 3, it becomes 18. Now we have to make the denominator into this LCM, that is 18. Take the first rational number, that is minus 1 by 18. Because the denominator is already 18, you have to multiply it with 1. So minus into plus is minus 11. 18 into 1 is 18. Now take the second rational number, that is minus 3 by 9. Here 9 should be changed to 18. For changing the 9 into 18, you can multiply this 9 with 2. 9 2s are 18. Yes, if you multiply the denominator with 2, you'll get 18 in the denominator. This is why we are multiplying with 2 on both the sides. Minus into plus is minus, 3 2s are 6. So minus 6 by 18. So now take the third rational number, that is minus 2 by 3. Change this 3 into 18. So 3 should be multiplied with 6. 3 6 are 18. Minus into plus, minus 6 2s are 12. So minus 12 by 18. Right? Now look here, for all the three rational numbers, the denominators are 18. So you can just put down directly and now perform the arithmetic operation. Here all three are having minus sign. See, all the three are having minus sign. So you can directly put a minus sign and add this 11 plus 6 plus 12. Add all these three integers by putting a minus sign. I hope you understood this. Let's move on to the second question. Here is the another three rational numbers and we have to simplify them. Look here, even the denominators are different. So we need to take the LCM of 4, 3 and 6. It becomes 12. In the rough work, just write down 4, 3 and 6. Start dividing with the least number. 2 2s are 4. 3 you can write down as it is. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. 3 and 3 you can write down as it is because 3 is not divisible with 2. Again start with 3. 1s are 3. Now just multiply 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. This is how we got the LCM of 4, 3 and 6. Now our next step is to make the denominators equal. Just take the first rational number minus 9 by 4 and you have to multiply the denominator with 3 so that it becomes 12. 4 3s are 12. Minus into plus is minus. 9 3s are 27. So minus 27 by 12. Take the second rational number 13 by 3 And to make this 3 into 12, you have to multiply it with 4. 3 fours are 12. So we are getting 12 if we are multiplying this 3 with 4. The same number should be multiplied with the denominator, sorry, no, numerator. So 13 fours are is 52 by 12. Now just take the third rational number, 25 by 6. And to make this 6 into 12, 6 should be multiplied with 2. 6 twos are 12. 25 into 2 is 50. Now just have a look at these three rational numbers. The denominators are equal, so you can just add them directly. Just put minus 27 plus 24 plus 50. Just write down this 24 as it is, minus 24 as it is, and here both are having plus sign, right? So it's very easy, so you can just put directly plus sign and add it. 50 plus 52 is 102. Now one is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. Put the bigger number sign, that is 1 not 2 is the bigger number and it has plus sign. So just put plus sign and subtract it. You will get 75 by 12. I hope you understood this. Let's move on to the third one. Here, this is not in a standard rational form. Just change it into a rational, standard rational form. So for that, I'm just getting this minus in the denominator. You have to get it to the numerator. That becomes minus 5 by 8. And here I have cancelled both the minus and it becomes plus. Since nothing is here in the denominator, you can assume it as 1. Our next step is to take the LCM of 1, 8 and 12. It becomes 24. In a rough work, you can just write down 1 comma 8 comma 12. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again 2 1s are 2 and 3 is not divisible with 2. So let's move on to the next number 3. 3 1s are 3. Now just multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. It becomes 24. Right? Our next step is to make the denominators has 24 for all the three rational numbers. 5 by 1 and this 1 should be multiplied with 24 to get 24. Right? So minus into plus is minus 24 into 5, 120. 1 into 24 is 24. Now just take the second rational number, minus 5 by 8, and 8 should be multiplied with 3. 8 3s are 24. Minus into plus is minus 5 3s are 15. So minus 15 by 24. Just write down the third rational number, that is 5 by 12, and this 12 should be multiplied with the 2. 12 2s are 24. 5 2s are 10. So 10 by 24. Now just add all these three rational numbers. Because the denominators are same, you can just directly put the numerator and add it. Both are having minus sign over here, so just put a minus sign and add them. It becomes 135 minus 135 plus 10. Here one is having negative sign, other is having positive sign. Just put the bigger number sign, that is 135 is bigger when compared to 10. And what sign does this 135 have? It have minus. So just put a minus sign and subtract it. It becomes minus 125 by 24. I hope you understood. Let's move on to the fourth question. Here is another rational number. Even here we need to take the LCM of all the denominator, that is 3 into 2 into 1. LCM of 3, 2 and 1, that is 6. In a rough area, you can just take the LCM, that is 3, 2, 1, and start dividing with the least number. 2 1s are 2 and 3 you can write down as it is. 3 1s are 3 and it becomes 6. 3 2s are 6. Now take the first rational number, that is minus 2 by 3. To make this 3 into 6, we have to multiply this 3 with 2. 3 2s are 6. Minus into plus is minus 2 2s are 4. So minus 4 by 6. Take the second rational number, 5 by 2. and 2 should be multiplied with 3 to make it into 6. 3 2s are 6, plus into plus 5 3s are 15. I hope you understood this. Let's take the third rational number 2 by 1, and to make the denominator into 6 for this you have to multiply it with 6. 3 2s are sorry 2 6 are 12, 1 6 are 6. Now look, for this three rational numbers all the denominators are equal, so just put a plus sign and add them. Because the denominators are 6, you can directly add it. So minus 4 plus 15 plus 12 by 6. Here keep this minus 4 as it is. Both are having plus sign, so just put a plus sign and add this 15 plus 2. It becomes 27. Minus 4 plus 27. One is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. Just put the bigger number sign. 27 is bigger and its sign is plus. So just put plus sign and subtract it. It becomes 23 by 6. Let's move on to the last question, that is fifth one. Even here the denominator, so you have to take the LCM of the denominator, that is 1, 4 and 8. LCM of 1, 4 and 8 will be 8. In the rough area you can just put 1, 4 and 8. Start dividing with the least number 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, again 2 1s are 2. Now just multiply all the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2, it becomes 8. Now just take the first rational number, and to make the denominator into 8, here it is 1 and you have to make it into 8. You have to multiply it with 8. So 5 8s are 40. 40 by 8. Just take the second rational number, minus 3 by 4. So this denominator should be multiplied with 2. 4 2s are 8, minus into plus, minus 3 2s are 6. So minus 6 by 8. Take the third rational number, minus 5 by 8, and here it is already 8, so just multiply it with 1. So it becomes minus 5 by 8. Now just look over here, all the three are having the denominators equal. So directly you can put it as plus 40 minus 6 minus 5. Here both are having minus sign, so just put a minus sign and add it. That's why I have just put a minus sign and added. I got minus 11. 8 plus 5 will be 11. Because both are having minus sign, just put a minus sign also over here. So 40 minus 11 by 8. One is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. Put the bigger number sign. That means 40 is the bigger number when compared to 11. So what sign does this 40 have? Plus sign. So just put a plus sign and subtract it. It becomes 29 by 8. I hope you understood this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for rational numbers, exercise 2A, 2B. Thank you.